In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new line within the same cell in Google Sheets. Knowing how to insert a line break can be quite handy, particularly when you want to display text neatly or separate information in a comprehensible manner without moving to another cell. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to input line breaks with ease and ensure your data presentation is clean and organized. Let's dive right in. If you've been working with spreadsheets, you might have noticed that pressing Enter normally moves you to the next cell down. This default behavior can be a hindrance when you want to format the text within the same cell. To add a line break inside a cell in Google Sheets, the key combination you need is Control and Enter, pressed simultaneously. By using this shortcut, you're telling Google Sheets that you want to insert a new line right there in the same cell, rather than moving to another cell. This technique is particularly useful when you have multiple pieces of information that you want to display separately, but within the same cell. For instance, if you're recording addresses, summarizing notes, or simply organizing your data in a more readable format, adding line breaks can greatly enhance clarity. So next time you're faced with a crowded cell, just remember that a quick Control and Enter will give your data the breathing space it needs. Once you've added your line breaks, it's essential to ensure that your work is visible and easy to read. This is where adjusting the row height comes into play. You may find that after adding line breaks, the text appears cut off because the row isn't tall enough to showcase all the content. To remedy this, hover over the boundary between row numbers on the left of your screen. You'll see your cursor change to a vertical arrow. Click and drag down to increase the row height until your entire text is visible. Alternatively, you can double-click the boundary to automatically adjust the row height to fit all the content. And that's basically it. Just two simple actions. You apply the Control and Enter shortcut to add line breaks, and tweak the row height as needed to make sure everything looks great. Once you've practiced this a couple of times, it will become an innate part of your Google Sheets toolkit. Being able to structure data effectively is crucial. Whether you're presenting information to others or merely organizing it for yourself, and this small technique can make a big difference. So the next time you're managing data in Google Sheets and want to enhance readability, remember these steps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to handle your data with more precision and care. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.